in today's video, I'm finally doing my New York City apartment tour. I'm so excited to finally be filming this. It has been long awaited. I've been waiting so long to film this, just making sure everything in the apartment is perfect. My roommate Julia and I are obsessed with it. So we moved to the city in 2020 and we had our apartment over in Greenwich Village, and now we are here in Soho. I will link my old apartment tour down below for you guys. This is definitely an upgrade thanks to COVID, but I hope you guys enjoy watching, and I'll leave the links to everything down below. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you first walk in. We have a lot more space than our last apartment. We have a big living room compared to our last apartment. We're obsessed with it. We also have a lot of natural light, which we love. So I'm gonna actually show you my room first, which is to the left when you walk in. And I have this like little walkway, and also we have little skylights because the ceilings are like 14 feet. So this lets in like a lot of light from the window here, which is really nice. And we also have windows on our doors, but we also have a curtain to pull down just like for privacy, but it's nice to pull those up during the day and get some extra light in the room. So this is what it looks like when you first walk in. I'm so obsessed with how it turned out. I'm just going to show you guys a little overview and then kind of go into detail. Okay, so here's my little desk. I'm going to try to tell you where everything is from and also leave links down below for everything. This desk is actually from IKEA, and I put a knob from Home Depot on it. I got so many questions on that. This really fluffy, cute chair is from Wayfair. I love the texture of the wooden legs. It just goes with the rug. The rug is from Rugs USA. And then I just have my Tom Ford book, of course, just a few little perfumes. A vase is from Target. This is from Home Goods. And these are all Target. The diffuser's Target. Some of my favorite perfumes. This is Bridgehampton Hall candles. They're so cute, these little bubble candles. And then here I store all of my makeup. I'm going to be doing an updated makeup routine, so look out for that. I keep all of like my medicines in there, scissors, just like basically everything. Then here's my bed. I got this picture from Society 6. I'm obsessed with it. You'll actually see it in the living room too. That's how much we love it. And then one of my favorite things about this whole apartment is the brick walls. We have a brick wall running all along out to the living room, and then also in my roommate Julia's room. I got these sconces from Home Depot, and the bulb is sold separately, so you can decide what kind of bulb you want, and they just turn on like this. So I love that detail. I think that's super cute. We also have like lighting on the ceiling, but I just thought that would be a nice extra touch. And it also just keeps like a big chunky lamp off of my little nightstand desk. So love how that turned out. All the pillows are mostly Bed Bath & Beyond, IKEA, Target. Bedding is West Elm. It's like this beautiful beige linen, and my sheets are from Casa Luna Home from Target. Love them so much. And then this throw is from Casa Luna Target. We have one in the living room as well. Love it so much. Then we have this annoying AC unit, obviously, because New York. And then I have this dying eucalyptus plant that I need a new one of. I'm obsessed with Hotel Collections scents. They're candles based off of hotel scents, like the One, the Edition. So you will see those scattered throughout the apartment. My view isn't that great. It's literally just the back of other buildings, but at least I get some sunlight. I have a nice shade that I can bring down if I want. And yeah, I get a lot of light in here, especially because the ceilings are so tall. And then coming over here, I have the end of my bed. I have a little trash can, mirror, my little ring light, my closet, and then we have storage above the closet as well, which is major. There's so much room up there. You can literally like put someone up there. It's insane. I'm gonna just show you a little bit of my closet. It's kind of a mess, but I need to get rid of all of my winter clothes. Like all these sweatshirts need to go because summer's coming. Replace the jeans with some jean shorts. I have some bags up here. It's such a mess. I mean, the closet is a foot smaller than my last apartment. So I do have a lot of clothes, and this isn't even all my clothes. I mean, half my stuff is at my house in Jersey, and then I have shoes down there. So that is my closet. I got this little print from Society 6 as well. You'll see a ton of stuff from Society 6 in here. And then just on the back of my door, I hang some of my purses. So yeah, that is my room. So yeah, this is my room. I'm obsessed with it. I'm really glad that I got to fit a really nice big bed in here. It really is the perfect place. I mean, all I do in here is do my makeup, get dressed, go to bed, and it's the perfect size for me. I love it. Okay, so coming out of my room, we have our little talk, listen, and door buttons here, light switch here, and recessed lighting, which I am obsessed with. This tall ceilings truly like make the apartment, and especially this brick wall. But here are the details of the living room. So this couch is from Bob's Furniture. We'll link it down below. It's a dupe of the Restoration Hardware Cloud Couch, and it comes in navy and gray. I wish it came in white, but the gray actually turned out to be really nice and doesn't show any sort of staining or anything. I love it. Then we have our window up here. And we got these curtains from Amazon. They're super long. I think they're really pretty. They just like flow in the wind. And then over here we have another Society 6 Bridget Bordeaux print. I love it there. I think it's so cool. We got this plant from IKEA. Pillows are all, I think this is Target, but these are Home Goods. I love that we did a gray, black, and cream vibe with the brick. I think it really goes well, and some pops of green here and there with like the candle, the eucalyptus. And then over here we have our little TV console. This is right when you walk in, and no, the door does not go near that. We got it all perfectly spaced out. So this is the console. I'll show you guys from here. I really like how this turned out. We actually got this on Facebook Marketplace, and then we just got all of these like random tchotchkes from Target, Home Goods. I'll try to link everything I can down below. But this is our TV. It's super big. We love it. It's like a movie theater in here at night. We set up our space light, and we just love watching movies in here. So, and then we have our coffee table right here, which we also love, and is also from Facebook Marketplace. It has drawers on both sides and little cubbies on the opposite sides, like drawers and then cubbies. And then here is a Hotel Collections candle. It's so big. I'm obsessed with it. Little coasters from Society 6. How cute are those? And we always have this going. It's seriously like such a statement piece. I love having that on the coffee table. And then coming over here, we decided to keep this from the last apartment. We thought it looked really good here with the mirror. This lamp is from Target. I love how cool it is and how it hangs over the couch perfectly. We wanted to put art above the couch, but I think that we just wanted the brick to like be its own art piece. That's why we put Bridget there and there. But we just like it plain, and it would also be off center with how the window is. So we just kept it plain. So then over here we have the mirror, which is also from our last place. And all these things are pretty random. Target, Home Goods. Down here we have Rose Forever roses, which are beautiful. A little Barefoot Dreams from Guest Day. This is from Target. I love this. We have like a ton of blankets in there. And it's kind of just used for storage, decoration. I mean, we think it looks really nice in the room next to the couch. And we always like have a candle going on there. It's really cute. So yeah, that is the whole living room. I'll just do another quick pan for you guys. Oh, and this rug I think is from Amazon. When you come over here, we have our washer and dryer in unit, which we are so blessed to have. I'm so happy about it. That's the washer and that's the dryer. It literally saves us so much money and time with going to the laundromat, and it's amazing. And then up here, we just have some of our laundry things, detergent, all that kind of stuff. And then up here, we also have more cabinet space for laundry, which is super nice to have, because in our last place we didn't have a lot of cabinet space, and now we have a ton down below, up above, and it's seriously amazing. You can even put stuff up there because there's so much room, but we really do have a lot of storage. Then here is the kitchen. I am in love with it. Love the backsplash and everything, the white cabinets, Black and white is like totally our vibe. We have really nice counter space, which is great for cooking. I love cooking on here, and I think this is real marble because it does stain very easily, which is kind of annoying, but I love how nice and clean it looks when it's all white. But we have a pretty old stove. I mean, it's an electric stove, which is not my favorite, but whatever. We have our microwave in unit, which is nice. We had to bring one in our last place. So then here's some of our random kitchen stuff. I love our little sink. It pulls and has a few different settings, super nice. Big sink, which is super nice because when we put like pots and pans in here, it doesn't feel too crowded when we're washing them. But the best part is we have a dishwasher now too, which is another blessing because we didn't have one in the last place. So we have a washer, dryer, dishwasher, microwave in unit. We definitely got all the amenities. So here is our snack cabinet. I don't want to show you guys because it's super messy, but this is like snack food, flour, sugar, that type of thing. And then here is glassware, bowls, cups, forks and knives. And then we just have a fruit bowl. Down here, we just keep all of our cleaning supplies, and our trash is also in there. Then we have our fridge, of course, and just some appliances above it. We have a mixer, our blender, toaster. Doesn't look too pretty, but it's really the only place to put it. And then behind the oven, where I was just standing, we have this little floating wine rack, which we love. I got these glasses from Crate and Barrel. And we also have some of our favorite alcohol here. Haha Tequila, Don Julio, Hampton Water Wine, Casamigos. Love it all. I think it looks super cute there. The only thing is when this other wine glass is here, the light, it's in front of the light switch, but it's totally fine. This actually came with the apartment. We love it. It's really great. It pulls out into a table, which we cook on, we'll fold our laundry on. It's super helpful. And it just adds like an extra counter space. So we love that. It doesn't look too gross or anything. It's just nice and cute. It hangs on the wall. Really glad that was built in there. And yeah, so here's the kitchen. One more time. And then over here is the bathroom. So this is an overview of the bathroom. My boyfriend Chris actually put this tile in. It's peel and stick. How cute is that? I feel like it just makes the whole bathroom. And we love the black and white theme. So here's the tile again, love. And then our little sink, mirror. That little picture right here is also Society 6. I think everything is Society 6. And then we just have this little over the toilet storage. Julia keeps all of her products in here. We have a little bowl to put our jewelry in when we shower. Just, you know, the basics, some Febreze, candles, toilet paper, you know, bathroom stuff. And then here's our shower. Curtain is from Target. And then this is what our shower looks like. Our shower head is super tall, so we did have like one of those shower caddies that hang from it, but it was literally so tall because everything is so high in here. So we had to get these little stick on the wall like storage shelvings. Okay, so then coming out of the bathroom, you're in the kitchen again. If you go left, this is Julia's room. I will finally show you guys Julia's room because in the last apartment tour you guys didn't get to see it. And it's so cute. I love her brick walls. This is a little overview of it. How cute. So this is where she works every day. She has a really cute view. We have a fire escape, which is also great. We love to sit out here. And we live on a really pretty block. So we love living here, and sitting out there is just super nice. Even though we are on a high floor, it's pretty scary, but it's nice to have that. So she has these really pretty brick walls that have arches over the windows, so pretty. And then this stunning chandelier lamp from IKEA. All the art is from Desenia. We actually had these in our last place. They look so good on this wall. I will ask her where all her bedding is from. I think it's West Elm. But I'll obviously link it all below. She's a little perfume rack here, TV, And then over here, dresser, mirror, all of her jewelry. And yeah, closets here. She has the same storage as I do. I think hers is even taller. This building is like a little like misshapen. So this side of the apartment is like even taller, and her little glass thing's even taller too. So she has a mirror here. And yeah, so that is her bed and her room. So then coming out of Julia's room, here we are in the kitchen again, living room. And yeah, so this is the whole apartment. Okay, so that is the apartment tour. I'm so excited that it is finally going up. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for it, so I am so happy that it's finally up, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. I also want to do a giveaway very soon, so make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned for future videos. So yeah, that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the little apartment tour, and yeah, bye guys.